So this is the next morning. The doll has woken back up. Leaves are back firm, nice and textured, and they're no longer droopy. So yeah. Think about that's how you fix that. Oh. Yeah. All the girls looking good. So yeah. Number three. All right, people. So part 3. Welcome back to the channel. Plant segment. This is, still don't have an official name. Don't kill these plants, these living creatures. Is what we're going for, though. Is the objective, at least. So, wanted to talk to you guys about the Dayoka sisters, and I named those plants, these 2 girls, after my sister-in-laws. There's an older sister, and then there's a middle sister, and then there's Amelia. But I just call them older Dayoka, younger Dayoka, because I'm trying to stop calling Dayoka, but she Dayoka to me. Nonetheless, wanted to kind of talk to y'all really quickly, try this hack out with my new leaves unfurling. I'm going to show you right now once we flip the camera. So if you notice, older Dayoka has been growing like nicely, putting out new leaves nonetheless, doing her thing. But what I've noticed is that on one of the, so this is like 2, sorry, let's go dig in here. So there's like 2 of these in here, and everyone on this back one, for all the new leaves that come in, they seem to get tripped up and end up kind of coming in not the prettiest, real nature-like, not like, see, that one's okay. It's on the front stalk, that's okay, I don't mind that as much. This is like one of the newest ones that opened up and was like, yeah, what it's supposed to look like. And then this one didn't even begin, but that's all on the same backstop. But I have this new leaf, and I'm noticing that it's about to do it again. So I'm partially aggravated. So I sprayed some water and just kind of help it unfurl a little bit. To help it out along its way. I've seen some people even go as far as putting a hot towel on it, and I'm gonna try that right now just to see if that kind of helps it out, because this leaf is like massive, and what I don't want, I just sprayed some water. That's when I noticed it. But like, look at this shit, like it's already late on the unravel, and it's gonna stress me out. So in an attempt to course correct, I'm going to do the hot water, do the hot towel thing, see if that fixes anything with it, and pray that the next few leaves that come in do not give me the same grief drama. Yes. Yeah, so I just wanted to, with this video, it's kind of to let you guys, everything's not always, everything may be green in the Hawkins Nest jungle, but everything doesn't always come out like picture perfect as it should. There are, in nature, I'm sure these things happen like that. So clearly, it's not getting enough of something, and I have to tap into what it's not getting enough of, because when it was outside, it wasn't doing this as much. So yeah, this inside transition is kind of hurting my girl. So yeah, and here's younger Dayoka. She just put out 2 leaves and no issues. So I think it's once the leaves start getting super big, you notice. But yeah.